What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Filthy Phil. Here we are back at it again with another unboxing. And today what we have for you guys is an upside down Prizm retail box, but now a right side up Prizm box. Shout out to my boy at Shaw Solutions, Mr. Shaw. I hope I'm saying it right. Copped this from him, appreciate it. Hopefully I cook in this box. I'm really amped up about all the good stuff that's going on right now in the card game, and I'm really excited to see it continue to grow, and as all the new collectors and or sellers get in the game, I feel like it's gonna continue to just flourish. But without further ado, let's get into the Prizm box. Main reason for the visit, we're hoping to hit something good, some Zion, Jaw, anything base obviously is good. We're also looking for parallels, hollows. There is going to be one autograph in here and at least 12 Prizm cards. So we're hoping one of those 12 is going to be Zion. Anyways, let's get into this pack and let's see what we got. Keep in mind, the only reason I'm wearing gloves is because my hands do typically get pretty clammy. So this is 24 packs per box and 4 cards per pack. So, and this is my own personal break, no buy-in with anybody. This one's gonna be mine. So we're hoping for something really good. This is gonna be all on camera, so hopefully get some good raw reaction out of this also. So let's get the first couple going. All right, so we got Malcolm Brogdon, Yao Ming. We got a Nikola Jokic dominance card, and then Montrezl HERRO. Let's get into this next pack. Pack number 2. Okay, that is a Prizm card. So that is going to be a Darius Bazley rookie card. Wendell Carter Jr. Brandon Clark Prizm. That's going to be a green. That one is not quite the Grizzly we wanted, but we'll take it. And we got a John Wall Prizm. All right, next pack's going to be Nikola Vucevic, Clyde Drexler. It's going to be an OG card right there. Nick Claxton rookie card. And that's going to be green. And then we have a DeJounte Murray. Apologize for butchering the name because I guarantee you I did. It's 3 packs in. Plenty more to go, guys. Plenty more to go. Malik Monk. Justin Jackson. DeAndre Hunter. That's going to be a Prizm rookie card. That one's really nice. There. And then Thomas Bryant, the Wizards. Apologize if you guys hear any buzzing or anything like that in the background. Discord is going crazy. My notifications have been going crazy. Nickeil Alexander Walker. Mark Gasol. And we got a good card here, or the auto. So that's going to be our auto, which is going to be Derek White of the Spurs. Don't really know too much about the guy, so I'm feeling like that's a no-name auto for the pack. So, but it's okay. It's okay. Still got plenty of chances left. And we've got an Eric Pascal red. So that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. We still got plenty more chances to hit something big in here. So let's get it. Wilson Chandler, Dwayne Dedmon. We have a RJ Beret instant impact card. It's nice. And a PJ Tucker. And then we're gonna put all the cards that we feel deserve of sleeves in their sleeves afterwards, just because we want to get through the video so that you guys can go home and finish doing whatever you guys are trying to do for your day. If you guys haven't done yet, make sure you guys please subscribe, comment down below, give me some good feedback, all that good stuff. So we have a Cody Martin rookie card, Langston Callaway, Steph Curry NBA Finals card. That one's nice right there. And then DeMar DeRozan. All right, Chris Middleton. This could be a Prizm. No, it's not. Just kidding. Rodions Kurucs. Courtney Lee. That's going to be a Prizm card right there. And then Mo Bamba. Everybody loves that song, right? I wonder if people are still bumping that song. Cool. We're almost halfway through right now, guys. So far, I wouldn't really say that we have like any crazy huge hits, but I could be wrong. Ooh, it's a nice one right there. Tyler HERRO. That one's going to be a rookie. Kristaps Porzingis. It's going to be a base card. Brandon Clark, Emergent. And then Kawhi Leonard. And that's going to be a base card. Thaddeus Young. Vince Carter. Another Kawhi card, which is going to be a Dominance. And then James Harden. Nice little pack right there with a couple good superstars. Kevin Porter Jr., rookie card base. That one's a nice pull. Josh Jackson. Boom, right there. Pete Maravich. It's going to be throwback card. Green Prizm. And then Jeff Teague, base card. All right, next pack. Eric Bledsoe. Spencer Dinwiddie, Rudy Gobert, and that's going to be, or Gobert, and that one's going to be a Prizm card, and then Danilo Gallinari, right there. All right. So far, no Ja. So far, not really a lot of superstars or anything like that. So this has been kind of a softer pack, but we still have half the decks to go through. Carson Edwards, rookie. Karis LeVert. Karl Malone, red Prizm. And then Ricky Rubio. I don't think any of the throwback athletes in the Prizm cards are really going for much, but we shall see. All right, Pau Gasol. Oh, nice. Got one of these in one of my other packs. Kobe Bryant, and that's going to be a base. Rest in peace to the Mamba. Luka Samanic. Probably butchered his name. And then Landry Shamet. Oh, nice. It's a sick Kobe card. Cool. Matisse Thybulle. Denzel Valentine. Matisse Thybulle again, and that's going to be emergent card. And then Russell Westbrook base card. Let's see what else we got in here. I'm trying to have a crazy reaction, man. I need something good out of this. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay. All right. Base Zion. Let's go. All right. Grant Hill. Okay. Just when I'm over here saying, oh yeah, man, haven't found anything good yet, I'll take a base Zion. JJ Redick is going to be a Prizm. And then our last but not least in the pack is going to be a Lonnie Walker the fourth. Let's take a look at that Zion real quick. Make sure everything is looking nice and centered. Edges look good. Corners look good. I would say the centering is probably off slightly. I think it would get a 9, but still a solid pull. Thank you, Shaw, for that one. Definitely a nice pull. All right. We still got about another 7 or 8 packs to go, guys. So still more potentials. And we have not pulled all the Prizm cards yet. All right. Robin Lopez. Dwight Powell. Donovan Mitchell hyped card. That one's nice right there. And then Troy Brown Jr. So far, I'm really liking the inserts of the Prizm from this year. Goga Bitadze. I don't think I'm saying his name right, but oh well. Alex Len. Another Matisse Thybulle, and that one's going to be a Prizm card. And then Serge Ibaka. The pack I went half on with Shaw, I ended up hitting a Matisse, and that one was the auto. So he didn't really have like a crazy rookie year. I think his sophomore year will hopefully be a lot better, and then I'll just hang on to his rookie cards, and then hey, they go up, they go up. They don't, stuck with a freaking auto that I didn't want. Anthony Davis, Reggie Jackson, Derek Jones Jr., and then Damian Lillard. That one's gonna be a base. Damian Lillard, that's a nice card to have. Okay. All right, guys, we have 5 packs to go. 5 packs to go for a total of 20 cards. 20 cards left, guys. 20 cards left. Give me something good, man. Give me something good. All right. Eric Pascal rookie card. Mike Scott. Lou Williams, one of the best 6 men in the league right now. Nice Prizm. And then Derek Favors. All right, we have Trevor Ariza, Shaquille O'Neal, Big Shaq himself, Draymond Green, and that one's going to be a red Prizm. That's a nice card. I think I pulled one of those in my first Prizm box. And then Evan Fournier. Cool. 3 left. All right, Jalen Hands rookie base, Kevin Herter base, James Harden dominance, and then Derek Jones Jr. 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. All right. So we have a Bojan Bogdanovic, Blake Griffin, PJ Washington emergent card. That one's nice. And then a Kelly Oubre Jr., I think. Hopefully I said his name right. All right. Last but not least, guys, 4 cards left. 4 cards left. Let's see what else is in here. KZ Okpala, rookie. Joe Harris, base. Dylan Windler, Prizm, rookie. And then a Robert Covington. And that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. That is all she wrote. So there was a couple of decent hits in here. More so the hits are going to come from the rookie class. The auto was kind of trash. I'm sure it's probably valued at like, I don't know, maybe 15 bucks, 20 bucks or whatever. But I could be wrong. Maybe I pulled something in here and I didn't notice, and it was a crazy pull. But paid pretty much with going market value for the boxes right now. So I wouldn't necessarily say I made my money back for this box. But I have 2 others waiting for me. And I'm going to rip those, and I'm going to get something good. I know it. I feel it. Just recently came up on a couple Chronicle hanger boxes too, so I'm debating on doing a couple openings on that. Plus, I have a crazy bulk transaction coming in from Chronicles. Lots of other stuff I'm going to be ripping pretty soon also, guys. So definitely stay tuned. If you guys are on Twitter or anything like that, follow Shaw Solutions. Awesome Discord if you guys can get in. There's literally something for everything, and it's really good to be part of that community. So shout out to you guys, really do appreciate it. Shout out to card brokers also. I'm gonna be hitting some more stuff pretty soon. I already know, I can feel it. Until next time, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys have that notification bell on. If you guys see anything that you guys want me to rip or unbox, let me know. I will be happy to go out there and pull the trigger on some stuff so we can hopefully score big. So that'd be awesome. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll talk to you guys very soon. Until next time, see you later. Filthy out. Peace.